papunta ng Manila. Taxi. Ayan o, nagtutulak. Tinutulak nila. Ayan yung windmill sa taas oh. Ang ganda nung ano. Ang ganda talaga ng Pilipinas. Sarap na masyal. Kabundukan oh. Ang ganda tignan oh. Ulap ang langit.
At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask. Pull it towards you. Put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft or escape slide. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Please fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open, tray tables stowed, and remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape and e-cigarette is prohibited. For your comfort, we will be dimming the cabin lights. If you wish to use your reading light, the button is found on the panel above you.
Kalangitan. Taxi na kami. Doon magsisimula. Kasi pag ganyan yung hangin, kaya doon siya magsimula. Pupunta siya rin.
Parang sumusok na yung
Sinasalubong. Tulong sa pag-ano niya yun, mabilis na pag-angat. Martes, Miyerkules, Jueves, Biyernes. Only 3 days din.
Cabin crew take off stations.
Apat na araw, Martes, Miyerkules, Jueves, Biyernes. Pang-apat na araw ngayon. Iksi lang ng runway, oh. Dito yung arrival, dun sa kabilang dulo yung departure. Yan na. Ito na. It's time to go. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. God bless us. Ay, nakakita. Ganda. Ayun, oh. Yung kabundukan ng Kapitlan. Hop, lumiko. Babalik sa kabilang way pa Manila. Wow, grabe ang banking niya. Maulap ang langit. Yun. Ayun, bumalik na. Maulap, oh. Yun, oh. Ayun, yung baba. Yun, oh. Ang ganda ng beach ng Boracay. Doon kami. Doon kami. Tapos may mga hotel pa pala dyan, oh. Gitna ng Mas maganda rin yung beach doon, oh. Sa kabila. White talaga. Ayun yung Boracay na yun.